Good morning. We are talking about the social auditor exam, the new profession which has been initiated by SEBI and has started its journey in 2023. This is only the first month. No hurry, no worry. But before you start thinking about social auditor profession, you must do compatibility test because everything is not for everybody. And this compatibility test has five criteria. Criteria number one, social aptitude test. Check whether you have the social living, whether you have done 1 hour social work in your lifetime. If yes, then you score 1 out of 2 marks. If you have done social work on at least once in a 1 month, then you score complete 2 marks. Second is learning aptitude test. Actually, what happens that once student life is over, usually people lose the learning aptitude test and they just think that they are now fully equipped and they do not need new learning. If you are in that category, then I will say that on learning aptitude you score 0. But if you feel that yes, you love to read still after becoming professional, that you love to read the new things, that you are looking for the new opportunities and new things, and you just have a spring in your feet at the end of your professional day, then you are still fresh for the learning. Therefore, what I will say that in learning aptitude test you score full 2 marks. Third test is opportunity test. See, social audit will be a different thing. You have to connect with the NGOs, you have to connect with big companies. Just determine your connect. Check whether you have the connect with the big companies where the CSR is more than 5 crores. Check whether you are connected with big NGOs in whatever capacity, and also check whether you have the friends who are working over there. If you even if you don't do professional assignments, still it makes sense. Means if you have opportunity readily available at your table, then it makes sense to become the social auditor. The fourth test is time availability test. Usually what happens that professionals day is very long, and this long day usually ends at 9, 9:30, 8, 8:30 in the evening. If you are also in that habit to work for longer period in the day and your day starts late and you are doing the evening working, then this exam may not suit you, because time availability is very important aspect to clear the exam. You need to study, certainly the study quantum which you required in your young age, that much you do not require for this exam, because there is only one simple exam. But still exam is exam, and whenever exam is there, then you need to study. Because you have to study, therefore check whether at the end of your professional day do you have spring in your feet. If yes, I will say you score 2 out of 2 marks on the basis of time availability. Second parameter for time availability is whether your day is ending before 6. If your professional day is ending before 6, means you have the time available with you and you can embark upon your new journey to acquire this coveted professional degree. The profession of social auditor is starting in 2023 only. That means you can get the early mover advantage. And the fifth test is health test. Health is first primary, and everybody shall take care of the health. If your health allows, only then embark upon this new adventurous journey of being a social auditor. And how you can identify in which category of the health you are, whether you score 2, whether you score 1, whether you score 0. Check. Are you taking any medicine regularly for rest of your life? If yes, I will say that take care of your health first. Whether you are social auditor or not, this is not very material. Health is material, health is supreme, because for any marathon inning, you need fantastic health. You must be in pink of your health, only then you shall move. Otherwise, I will say that just think about this, read about this, but leave it for some better day when you recover your health fully and you are not in habit of taking any medicine which doctor has suggested you to take till your last day on this planet. These tests, 5 tests, 10 marks. And if you score 6 marks out of 10, I will say that yes, you qualify and you qualify on compatibility test and you must think of becoming the social auditor, because in India, number of NGOs, if we see on global world, then number of NGOs, India has largest number of NGOs. Second, if we compare with the corporate world in India itself, then number of NGOs, if we include Section 8, societies and trust all, they are more than 3 times the corporate world's entities which are there in India. Means it makes sense. Demand and supply is in favor of the social auditor. Take care. Stay connected. We will be talking about other dimensions of being social auditor as well. Thank you. All the best.